Lifestyles with Sandra. Today I am sharing with you a sponsored video by none other than a BlueTop company, Ltd. Now, they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to share one of their many products with my family members, and I said, why not? So, with that being said, let's get into this video and let's get into this box. All right, now, as you can see, the pampas grass comes compressed, so you do have to do certain steps to get the optimal look of your pampas grass. Now, this pampas grass can be used in many ways. It can be used in a flower arrangement. It can be used in a bohemian backdrop theme for a birthday with beautiful balloons, a safari theme. It could be used for a chic theme. You can put this in different areas of your home and it will enhance the look for less. Now, they also came with instructions to allow your pampas grass to sit in the sun for up to 5 to 8 hours. But unfortunately, we have been experiencing a lot of rain. So I wasn't able to sit out for those 5 to 8 hours. But I was still able to get them to fluff up slightly. So here I'm showing you that is minimum fallout. And once you fluff them up to prevent further fallout, it is recommended to use a blow dryer to get them to fluff out even more and at your desired look. Now, once you do that, you can spray them with hairspray and then they will remain. Okay, everyone, I have created this floral arrangement right here, and I want to add in some of the pampas grass into my arrangement. And again, we are in my bedroom and I am creating a end of summer look. And again, I have not used any hairspray or anything on them because I have not been able to allow them to actually sit in the sun the way they are supposed to. So let's move on to the next arrangement. To put the last 7 in this vase here. And then I'm going to bring you guys a little bit closer to see what I have done in my bedroom for the end of summer. Thanks again to BlueTop Company Ltd. I will have the link down in my description box. Please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. And I will see you the very next time that I upload. Bye-bye.